Hi everyone, my name is Jonathan and today I'm going to be walking you through the new HP 15.6-inch modular laptop bag. This lightweight and durable laptop bag is perfect for those who want to seize the day with one bag with countless possibilities. This bag's modular features allow it to be used for any activity since it's 3 products in one. You can use it as a laptop bag, or you can remove the sleeve or detach the included pouch when you want to travel lighter. Now, let's walk through the multiple configurations of this incredibly versatile bag. First off, the laptop bag itself has a stylish design with a 22-liter capacity, making it suitable for any excursion. It has several internal pockets and external pockets across the laptop bag, sleeve, and of course, the pouch. However, there's more. Remove the laptop sleeve and simply pull out the hidden handles to carry it around as a lightweight briefcase, ensuring that your PC stays protected. That's not all though. You can have extra storage without the bulk by seamlessly attaching the sleeve and pouch together, making it perfect for your essentials. To turn the pouch into a chic crossbody bag, just attach the padded shoulder straps onto the sturdy D-rings. Inside the pouch, you can also find several pockets, including an RFID pocket, making it perfect for those smaller valuables like your keys, wallet, or even a power bank. You can also make it an over-the-shoulder briefcase that is ideal for city commuting by attaching the padded shoulder strap to the sleeve and then tucking the hidden handles back into their designated slots. And for maximum adaptability, create a messenger bag that's perfect for those business meetings by combining the sleeve, pouch, and shoulder strap all together. Now, let's jump into the incredible features that this bag has to offer. The bag offers you lockable zippers, an RFID pocket within the pouch, and numerous pockets on the inside and out, giving your belongings a designated place. If you need a spot to put your headphones, we also have a loop designed particularly for that. When it comes to travel, this bag also comes equipped with a trolley strap and water-resistant fabric that can protect your belongings from anything Mother Nature throws at you. Last but not least, we can't forget about sustainability. This is a functional laptop bag that you can really feel good about carrying around town, since it's made up of 51% post-consumer recycled plastic, as well as consisting of a whopping 46 plastic bottles. Thank you so much for checking out the new HP 15.6-inch modular laptop bag.